Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a running water test on Honor X9c Smart. It comes with 3 layers of waterproofing but no official IP rating, so we will see that how durable this device is against the stream of water falling on it. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So for this testing purpose, we will use this tab here. So here we go. So as you can see that the screen is responding to the stream of water. So the touch screen sensitivity is quite high, as you can see here. A bit of water on the side, on the back, on the camera module. So I think that's more than enough. Let's have a look on our smartphone now. So you can see there is water all over the display, also on the lens of the front camera, on the sides, on the back, on the camera module. There is water all over our device. The water went inside the USB charging port as well as the speaker grid. And as you can see that the touch screen is responding perfectly. It comes with the wet touch technology, so even though the screen is a bit wet, like there is water on the display, my fingers are wet, I'm still able to use the touch screen here and it's looking pretty fine. Let's check the camera. The camera is looking good as well, so I can switch between the camera modes. The picture we have just captured is looking good enough also. So let's try a bit more. I think that's enough. Let's have a look on our Honor X9c Smart again. So once again you can see we got plenty of water on the display, on the back as well as on the side, as well as at the bottom, at the top. But the touch screen sensitivity is still good. It's working fine perfectly, as you can see here. The camera is also working fine, switching between the camera modes. The focusing speed is good, the image processing is happening pretty fast, it's capturing good amount of details while taking the picture. And since the water went inside the speaker grill, let's check how good it is right now. So it is quite loud, it's a bit tinnish. I think it's because of the water that is still inside the speaker grill, but the loudness is not impacted at all. I think it's loud and clear, so the speaker is also performing well. I think once the water is out of the speaker, audio output quality will be a bit better. So it seems that the triple layer of waterproofing on Honor X9c Smart is working quite nicely, and you won't need to worry too much about a bit of water falling on it, using the smartphone during the rain, etc. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.